So it will count the number of variables in this. So here you can see. So in the group by statement, I given a variable six, and you can see here I create a given two macro variables names here. So, so for the second macro variable name also, you have to give colon and that macro variable name. Okay. So I know how. I think you know how this count function works in SQL, right?
Yes.
So it will gives us the count of that variable
Male
values.
and female.
So here we are given as we given the group by statement by this variable, it will group and it will split into two types. So in the six we have male and female, right? So in the alphabetical wise, first we will get F. So for F count we will get in male macro variable. So for male count we will get in male macro variable. So here we are resolving female macro variable. So you can see here we got the value as 9. So if we resolve this macro variable, just it was not created male macro. So it is giving some data. So first I will tell you the separate group count of male into female from the from the self dot class where it is equal to M.
sex equal to F, female.
Yeah.
Female sex equal to F before above one.
So you can see for male we got 10 count, so that is this, and for female we get 9 count. Mm. Mm. Yes, that will resolve this A1. It was not created. I forgot to give an column. Yeah, now it worked. So let's try to give here A, B, C. So it is not working like this. As we have two right in the sex variable, we have two values, that is M and F. So it is working. We are giving its names like this, like in the numeric format. So you can see here in the here you can see we got 9 and 10. Let's also try to resolve here. So you can see we got the count of males, females here 9 in the A1. In the A2 we get the counts of males, that is 10, right? Suppose if we are given here as group by age, so how many unique values we have in age variable?
First male age value and first female age value.
The unique ages in all the age variable values. In the SAS help, we have 6 unique ages. like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Only these ages will be present we have in SASL class. Okay, I will directly open it. You can see in the age variable. So these ages are in duplicate right now, right? So you can see 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we have six age, six age, six unique age values in this SASL data. So so here we have to give like AGE 1 to AGE 6. So between this, it will for every age 1, age 2, age 3, age 4, age 5, age 6, it will create a macro variables itself. Okay, it will create totally 6 macro variables by this line. Okay, let's try to run this. So in this, can see here as we have given here the count of name, so it will give us the count for these ages, right? So age 1. So for age 1, we will get the count of 11 age people. You can see. So 11 age students, we have two members. So for age 2, we have that is age 2 means that is 12. For 12, we have 5 students. Okay, like this, it will create six age groups. You can see. So for 11 age, we have two count. So for 12 age, we have 5 count. 13 age, 3 count. And 14, 15, we have 4 counts. And for 16, we have only 1 count. Okay. So like this also, we can create macro variables. Suppose here, if I given here group by sex and age. Now, the given by sex and age. So by sex and age, how many categories do we have?
Two, male and female.
By grouping by sex and age. So sex and age means, so for female 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. For male 11, 12, 15, 14, 15, 16. So for 16 we have only one count. So let's see. So for male we have 16. For female we do not 16. So In the female we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 categories. In the male we have 1, 2, 6 categories. So totally how many categories do we have?
11.
11 categories. So here in the group I increase this group by section age, but I am giving only 1 to 6. I will not see what happens here. One, two, three, six, seven. So I think uh, it is creating just for first 6. So we have to give here for total one. So we will give age 11 to age 16. Not be like that because for females we have the 5. We not have 6 age group, right? So we'll give so for it totally we have 11 categories. So that's why I'm giving here 11 macro variables. So it will automatically create by using this age 1, age 2, age 3, age 4, age 5, like that till 11. So you can see these are the counts that we have for the age separated by females and males. So for the first 5, these are for females and these are for males. Okay, like this also you can create a macro variables. Suppose I will create process here that count of male and max of age to PNP from parallel dot class. So here we have given right two. We have to give two macro variables, but I have given only one. So actually we need to give for a count of name we have to give one. For maximum age we have to give another one. So that's why here you can see we got an error like into class specifies peer host variables then the column listed. Okay, means in the into class we have only one variables, but in the select statement we have two two variables like count of name and max of age. So that's why we are getting this error. So, so instead of giving here only, we can also give here also into CNC then time will not mandatory to be or not required to be into that. So now the count of name will store in ENT and the max of age will store in this max macro variable. Okay. So now let's try to resolve this. Input and percent ENT and percent max. So you can see here we got the count 19 and 16, right? So in the sample, the maximum age value is 16 only. So that's why we got 16 and totally we have 19 variables. So that's why we got the count as 19. So in this, let's try we will perform this. So we are not getting this, then get only this one separately. So for that I will create new one. For you for, for this one, set for for this class. You can see in the all macro variable we have all the names that we have in SL bar class. So in this, by using this, we can create an automatic one. So I will just write it in that. new person dot class where going to person name of person let name equal to compile scanner and person of person and we also can create do loops in the macros. Person file I equal to 1 to 1 to 19 into 19 person end so I'm just trying to automate this code. So first here I created a do loops. So in the do loops I given I 1 to 19, right? So one whenever the I value is 1, so it is initializing first value. So it will take first one. Here you can see by using percentile let I created a macro variable called name. In this name, what is the value means percentile scan ampersand all. Ampersand all means in the, what is the value? What are the values we have in the ampersand all? We have all these values in the ampersand are right. So in this R, so what is the I value? First I value here 1, right? So it will pick the first one. So here in the ampersand I it will replace as 1. So it will just to pick Alfred. So in the name macro variable the value is Alfred. So defaultly here in the where statement we will get the where name equal to Alfred, right? I don't know this code will work or not. Person style to also. Can you see here? It was created all 19
Yes.
data sets here. So we can also give here. So in the place of data set name, we can also give ampersand name. So here you can see. I will update this code and run this macro. Can you see here all the data sets created. So by using these macros, we do automating by do loops and this where statement. Actually, do loops can percentile do loops and percentile two. We use it here in the open statement, right? So inside any without any SQL, okay, in SQL we can't do. So you can see in outside the data set we use this percentile do. So it is worked without any issues even in the open code. Do you understand the process here? So whenever the I value is one in the for first time, it will pick the first name here where so by using SQL we have by all the names that present in SASL class we have keep that in this all macro variable. So in this macro variable we will have all these names. So we are picking one every time. So the first it is here it is resolved as Alfred. For the second, if I value is 2, it will pick the second one, that is Alice. If 3, it will pick Barbara. Third, it will pick Carol. 4, it will pick Henry. We can also increase this code like proc print. So for the title, we can also give title data belongs to ampersand name. Means it will resolve that name here. And next, we can also give whose like equal number equal to ampersand I, right? So here I'm using after strpt. So you can see here for the everyone, the title also got updated based on the macro variable values. So you can see for the first time, for the first observation, the data belongs to Alfred, whose sequence number is 1. For the second one, this data belongs to Alice, whose sequence number is 2. For the third one, this data belongs to Barbara, whose sequence number is 3. So like this, we can do any customization as we want. So same like this, you can also do for age variable also. So if we want to update here with age values, like age equal to, so simply here the pop SQL can be create a new one pop here